wo mo dwumadi yɛfa no sɛ UEFA Super Cup no yɛnim sɛ ɛyɛ wo abɛgye Champions League wo ɛnsom ane side a abɛgye Europe no momienu ɛna kyɛ sɛ mo hyia no mabɔne a yɛfa no sɛ Super Cup ama nneɛma nyinaa no ɛnsom ayɛ kamena no pɛi no ma memfa nto wɔnom sɛ UEFA foɔ wɔn nsom ade announcement ɛba na announcement a ɛyɛ UEFA ade bra no nyinaa no sɛ ɛyɛ next year na kyɛ sɛ 2025 no wɔn sɛ yɛn to twa sɛ wodru ɛyɛ Italy Denisi ɔmo stadium hɔ ɛna kyɛ sɛ UEFA Super Cup no ɛnom nso bɛtumi aba so a ɛnom ayɛ announcement ɔmo de ba ti stadium no ɛnsom ayɛ Blue Energy Stadium ɛhɔ ɛna UEFA mpɔnfo bɛ so ɔmo twa sɛ wɔn bɛ stage ɛyɛ next year ɛyɛ 2025 UEFA ɛyɛ Super Cup when ɛyɛ stadium a ne capacity no ɛnsom ayɛ 25,144 ɛna kyɛ sɛ ɛfront ɛhɔ na twumadi no nyinaa no ɛno nso bɛtumi akɔ so abra wɔn nsɛm no nyinaa no yɛde ɛma yɛte fa ɛna no pɛi ɛnsom ɛwɔ show no so afei hyɛdo a yɛnsa nkɔ ɛyɛ Real Madrid wɔn nso ɛhɔ telesa sɛ na no pɛ sɛ woyɛ obi a wonya time ɛmɔnita yɛn twumadi a yɛfa no sɛ tip of asɛm bi a wɔsɛ wonya bia no mede ma meka kyerɛw sɛ ɛno a wɔabrɛ m ne bɛto twa sɛ Real Madrid ɛbɛtrɛ ni ɔmo trɛ no wie a wɔn nso abɛfly akɔ Doha ɛhɔ ana kyɛ sɛ nyame yɛ no mɔkyena wei ɛyɛ intercontinental ɛyɛ final game ɛbɛ so ɔmo ne Mexico ɛnso aside ɛmfa no sɛ Pachuca ɛnso ɛna ɛbɔ saa game no na ɛna ɔmo kɔkɔdrom hotel no nie meka wɔn nsɛm kyerɛw sɛ ɛyɛ hotel no a woduru ɛyɛ Doha yɛfa no sɛ Mesila hotel ɛyɛ Al Mesila ɛhɔ ana Real Madrid alɔteɛ na bibia yɛ fine bibia yɛ kama because nkɔda wɛ mu no ɔmo yɛ big boys wontumi mfa mo nkɔnkɔto baabi yɛ akɛkɛ na gyame nya no sɛ no pɛyɛ no ɔwura mfa no sɛ Florentino Perez ɛnoa wɔne tim no anka mɔm ankɔ Doha wɔma atim no adi ka ɛnoa na no pɛi ɛna report a me nsɛ nka no sɛ ɔwura no nso akɔkɔduro ti sɛ wɔma moment abɔ sɛ president a yɛfa no sɛ Florentino Perez wɔno nso akɔduro ɛyɛ Doha na kyɛsɛ wɔ ɛnso na yɛ moment ɔwura no ɛnso akɔduro a kyɛsɛ no ɛne manager fa no Carlo Ancelotti nom ama nkwadaa no nyinaa yɛ awɛ so ɔwura no ɛfa no sɛ ɛyɛ Florentino nso aba na baabi a Real Madrid ɛbɛkɔ kyɛsɛ game mu na mo nsɛ bi yɛ Florentino ɛnso ɛwɔ around to be ano na kyɛsɛ ɔmo bɛ sɛ saa trophy no wɔn nso atumi gye etu wei atwerɛ sɛ nyame yɛ no mɔkyena ɛyɛ final game ɔmo mfa ni akorɔkorɔ a yɛtwɛn sɛ Real Madrid ɛbɛyɛ training wɔn trɔ no wia deɛ ɛbɛn sɛ nyame yɛ no mɔkyena game no anya bi a Mbappe ɛnso ɛbɛbɔ anaasɛ bi asɛn ɛnso ɛna saa makyena nso bɛsi akɔ ɛho nsɛm no nyinaa no ɛna yɛde ɛma na ɔnom nso ɔkɔ team no a yɛfɛ no sɛ Pachuca wɔn ɛwɔ bɔɔl bi yɛfɛ no Gustavo Cabral na Gustavo Cabral yɛsɛ bɔɔl no sɛ ɔno deɛ ɛni kura sɛ wɔtena ɔtwɛn ɛmu obi aka kyerɛ ɔmo ne Real Madrid ɛna ɛbɔ no na wɔtiri yɛ bɛ sɛ nipa baako a wɔnom the most dangerous ɛwɔ Real Madrid wɔn nso set up no mu ɛyɛ Brazil yɛ akɔtan no a yɛfɛ no Vinicius Junior wɔn Cabral tiri yɛ bɛ sɛ ne ɛyɛ Vinicius ɛna ɔkyerɛ game ɛbɛ so no wɔn nso the most dangerous na deɛ ɔbɛ so ɔka no nyinaa no sɛ na wobisa ne Mbappe na wobisa ne Vinicius a deɛ ɔno bɛka no sɛ ɛyɛdeɛ sɛ Vinicius no ɛnso ɛwɔ soro ɛde kyɛ Mbappe Vinicius ɛne mpɔ no bɔ ɛnso ɛkyɛ Mbappe ɛwɔ abra wei no ɛnso ɛyɛ asɛm a player no a yɛfɛ no sɛ Gustavo Cabral wɔn nso ɛde ato dwa akyɛ sɛ wo nsɛm no yɛde ɛma yɛte fa ɛna no pɛi ɛnso ɛwɔ soro no so ɛnora wonya time ɛma no tae ntwumadi abɛkae sɛ mede to dwa sɛ akwadan no a yɛfɛ no Florian Wirtz a ɔbɔ no bɔ ɛnso ama Leverkusen no boy no ɛstente ne contract ɛde ama Leverkusen na kyɛ sɛ ɔbɛso ɔkyɛ sɛ nyame yɛ adom na yɛwie season wɛkora no ɔno akwadaa no ɛnso ɔbɛkɔ so ɔyɛ adwuma ɛnso ɛde ama Leverkusen tim no ɛne yɛsɛ nso nim sɛ Real Madrid ɛpa no Man City ɛpa no ne ade sɛ wotie yɛ ɛno a meka kyerɛ wo sɛ contract no boy no ɛstente no ɛnom ɛnkyɛ sɛ bi akyenkyene atwan wɔbɛtumi yɛ stɛ ne mom sɛ kɔba sɛ bi a wɔsɛn no ɛbɛma sika no a Leverkusen nso ɛbɛdemande anaasɛ bi a sika no Leverkusen ɛbɛnya no ɛno nso ɛbɛpagya ɛde akɔ soro enti wayɛ nyame so adeɛ ɛnso ɛde aboa tim no sɛ sɛ gyamenya no nyina no sɛ still no yɛsɛ Real Madrid mpanimfoɔ no gyiri pa sɛ wɔn wie season wɔ yɛ manager no a yɛfa no sɛ Carlo Ancelotti wɔn wankasa ɛbɛkɔ enti sɛ wopɛ the right replacement a yɛde abɛto wɔn dada sɛ ɛyɛ owura no ɛfa no sɛ Xabi Alonso ɔno ɛna Los Blancos ɛbɛsɛ wɔn nso ɛde ne ba na wɔn wɔ gyiri sɛ sɛ manager no ba wɔnom ɛna bɛtumi adada akwadaa wei ɛde akwadaa no nso aba abɔbɔku a yɛfa no sɛ Real Madrid Madrid. Eso se nam udru Madrid. Ni obisa se wen ana oye creative. Enso Madrid no team no ma. Obeka bia Jude Bellingham nom. Nebia, what other gulash money at Nemon Bona Quadawe El Bonabra and what say and some man national team and also what say our club side. Woman to the Abasa Alonso no and some other foreign vet a bar and also some other amateurs a rumor timino and some Afamotumapa Eddie Fra and pay Mabaka said Doctor Na your friend say repol or no and Rebecca Soprana and Sufati and as away a Lami Jamal Akako Prano and you say be a normal proud say and you say bia was say bia because akwadano was spraining the ankle keke was say boy no anya partial tear na and update him and some other say owura no and as a doctor say we a caution and what dem abobokua your friend say Barcelona ya will be pay o Ansu Fati dia ba ya kotodwai ahono na matwin suoi na kwadai and some the pain eboboy kwirias ya and ya hu say the akra no kwa da chen so and some akwakoya enti doctor no say one of the akokobo our dem abobokua your friend Barca and sa akwadan no munya botre ama na ho nto no say ayabosome and 2 weeks na mpa dia munja ma chese 6 weeks na akwadan no and some ntwa say ayabosome mienu na sa akwadai and some na beto na munya ma akwa ntwa ma mo ho ana na wanya 1 month I was see wo painkiller ana wa man na Real Madrid team ana mo be league na La Liga mo be na fine ekosi ni wo yo wa ya bia masa akwadana fai ana wa start here and say munnim na mo the pressure ebeto akwada we so a wo rade ni ani ana be ya akwada ketwa we enti munya ma akwadan no wono som hiri ansana mo ma boy na abobola mo ma akwada no som abobolo de wo so nkra aye caution ana wadema teama ye fa no say Barcelona ama hunsam ni nyina no ye de am ye twofo na akwada na kasa after sem no a ebeto twasem no enya golden boy ama chese o kasa pine aye sane man nyina na akwada no say wo bi e ka Ballon d'Or na Lamine Yamal o say si aye Ballon d'Or awie nya bi e it say be a first 10 na abasampom bi asa number no wo animu a chen Hurricane wo animu a chen Toni Kroos na chese wa ya de pa no mo Ballon d'Or Champions League and the World Cup Champions League FC Barcelona abaje UEFA Champions League
outros troféus como
Woman to the Abasa our form na and yes ba and say yes opani ba ko se kan say ye ba yen kama yen kofa striker bi mra anasa bi anka akora no kra no mone ma giu enkana ka bi aboy na entere and na ba na Lewandowski about to atwere ba ne ba no about to baby a just wo kan bi anama ba satim no wo so antimi winning matches and na me no ka say no e ma bi atwam team manager ye fa no say flick e ba ya wo ka omo ye untouchable ewo bobokua ye fa no say bouncer ne ye bo e bia Testegan no bo Lamine Yamal na bia wo bo te say Rafinha na de Lewandowski mom asoso na so na ye say enye sabiem e ma bi no ye untouchable na die wo hwia obetimi atena bench wo mo say obetimi akọ to a large extent no wa rekwa ebia 18-man squad Lewandowski entimi mbeki aya san list na aya based on a modempo and mama bama so abo and I say bia bama be ko bench eno aya say ye city a wonsam ni nyina no ye dey aya update no enso adema ye say bouncer and all the Champions League and in here can say La Liga na esiwa say ye say ama prioritize aya Champions League say I was from first position ever see the 8th position I was Bobo Craven Barcelona and some Atuminum and Tomanas attention more and shifting Aqua Champions League so because Champions League new format way Wobasam Oboni dear new console cover playoff because a playoff in BBA bet me obet me our playoff no Buakam Netim Kitwabia Chua Susedie now we are Leganis B and somebody a Bass Antineno yes so Anacha some attention in and some Aswa Aqua Yet I update and some Atemo and now no Cassian say Bobo Craven Barcelona yes capa na adebia Barca den Satosua e betimi Dennis ka Ariama Barca biano womusom abaso mu ye na latest amenya no say come new aye stadium omudi kasa womu obisa at least ebia wobetimi abo game back ansa na fe no ensom akọ na wie ye me no kasa ye kwadu bro nya ne sa womu say the question nyam yarma next year ebia che the month of February and the month of March I was Barca team stage game our the new come new as of and now matching na jamemen sa kan sam amon passe wo mo be pre na bia stadium ye be na say ne pabia chia and I say bia be stadium no na as I said no super na mabu anya no say say am sa company ne say Barca company for enya abotre na omo kware ye tisi next year e bia Barca ababa aye come new aye from next year September ekosi next year November eno aye say data eno some abafofro eno aye say the project ni nyina no eno some nabasi akọ na report am say kan say project no anya project ketwa edempa anti company no and some nabaso be mistake e wa brand wo mo some nabaso mo ya sala be ya do no and some nabetimi abas e wa brand pay eno aye update ever yenko Turkey and no penya lie bi say Enra, you say I am married card agent, and some echo Turkey. You found Carlos Novel. Now, Carlos Novel, echo Turkey, one Galatasaray, Emperor for Kodinkomo, say, Washa, but yes, some few weeks ago, me about two jasa, I am a branch of a palo to Balano, will you be a so free Roma, one and Coco Sama, one co ama supporters, echo Kuni Fie, echo Bojan, Sonia, Dianamano Casino, agent, now Kodinkomo, our Galatasaray. As of now, men so free that me peke and some free a year by no so come the entourage anymore and some other say one more this year and so come by the so crack on the ball and so our Turkey ama a year Galatasaray omo popano be a say the sukia say the supporters any players every lady a be so yes say the stadium atmosphere and some understand your money in a city and yes say akoda so be so come on the ball and some our Turkey ama Galatasaray ye can Galatasaray Samuel Shadrach mama Nigerian yankura na fa no sa Victor Osimhen Obompa na adepabicho na sebia o da onyam yasia ya no obompa se nyame bema so nsa tobi so na sika de eye pa Nigerian yankada mabi atwam kwaso Osimhen bene nam Ghana asa tima no obakra no so o masa wo ye fia no do wo man fi no ana boy no ade ko under 17 eye World Cup emo Osimhen ewramo ewo Germany ebese ko France enai enso aba Italy watch ballon eye Africa Ballon d'Or eye last season ana double Lookman and some agenda and one ajo Osimhen nan on company woman jewel nice a jewelry a jewelry company no you're from Benida now Benida jewelry woman a necklace and yamo Osimhen necklace and the other two common now also Osimhen a prior when you cheekbone fracture I'm crying surgery no Biana Osimhen asha mask now mask Osimhen asheno and no some ana company no share ya woman the commander at German na wo shot na masa utumus a blanket asikapa a rum because Canada when you know busu I will talk out was if you no invested ya ka be dai masa diamonds na a blanket wa dia so a my V09 no ayen initials Victor Osimhen 9 and I have V09 I just said them said the amount for your money to Abuko Osimhen the them say wo ye na basi ye no mo ten abasa no know who be mo 18 Osimhen necklace ni aye Benida jewelry wo mo ana aye sadie and so them Victor Osimhen abasi kana kasa no wasa ano bemza we be so much for opie kra no one Sompa because we opie no obi open dey kwen pa ye babu zanse na chop money no way Tobeso de the Alcoya, I had necklace at a sending no, and some update about on some no, yet the Emiato for Amra, Robert Cobas, a similar Omutumatier, and some about Shara from a call, I am Milan and the Monte Surum Samra, Baby Amalan from I think Christmas dinner, I also tell you, what I shall see to do something against a similar. Also, no quality and friends Amani Silos. Now, Amani Silos, I'm a similar to and some Christmas dinner and one of and one night as a reference upon Singamum and a golden singer, which is according and a reference at Gary Cantana and it's just a similar nation's name and before the born out of some about a Christmas and a party and about our Amani Silos. Now, I also support us no come on. What about pass you? Now, don't carry me on the same. I'm your protest. Now, no outside and see you with the pro and what I told some, I was a great protest. Now, when I walk out, message I am very simple. I will say, players are money desire, players are money dignity. What's up? Society, and it's how you're playing on it desire. We will be at just our own for so seven for Sobiano, and you swear on so you'll be at there. And you want Casa another banner. And so said Yomokaya outside the stadium. Gary Cardinale, Tom A. Similar no Tom. Now, Amunia ready some best support. One was a Tom Clano. Now, management as well. One disappear a similar. One was support. Strike and one shall go by Cabron Jesus Edna so Pompeii. Now, Jesus and ye, what the announcement about Sam on the wife, Rain. Was say myself for through no banning him. One more Tosumi and all said, I know your announcement now. 1 year for in the test kit. I know you're testing what you saw on Palminium. Wabana Srebama, the almost firstborn, and some Asre Crobia Benitia. Banica, some what Daniel say, ah? Also, Miss what done at the dinner. I also, and I'm missing you, Massa, one Miss Yaco, just a while on why I can't do the phone. A block 1 year. Ubanyum because I just a pressure our system no and the cross on you may ye no so oh God thank God not just any general because he can our pressure be any when the announcement one some about brown something no yet am I yet for Liverpool coach your fans Anna slot and some we in the press conference Nyame Duma one ball a EFL Cup a quarter final no
to a certain extent yes because I think that is normal for Liverpool to be fighting for every trophy and to be for a long time in every cup to go all the way. This happened last season when we, not we, but when this club won this competition. So I'm not surprised that with the quality we have, we are competing at this moment for these 3 trophies, and the 4th one is starting in January. But it is a challenge because we have a lot of competition, great competition in other teams here as well, and also in the League Cup. If you look at the other teams that are still in, it's for none of the teams that are in is going to be an easy road to the final. To a certain extent, yes, because I think that is normal for Liverpool to be fighting for every trophy and to be for a long time in every cup to go all the way. This happened last season. To a certain extent, yes, because I think that is normal for Liverpool to be fighting for every trophy and to be for a long time in every cup to go all the way. This happened last season when we, not we, but when this club won this competition. So I'm not surprised that with the quality we have, we are competing at this moment for these 3 trophies, and the 4th one is starting in January. But it is a challenge because we have a lot of competition, great competition in other teams here as well, and also in the League Cup. If you look at the other teams that are still in, it's for none of the teams that are in is going to be an easy road to the final. To a certain extent, yes, because I think that is normal for Liverpool to be fighting for every trophy and to be for a long time in every cup to go all the way. This happened last season when we, not we, but when this club won this.
Now, Salah and Van Dijk, the end of the guaranteed. Some Everton stay. I know the giant say, when say Liverpool. 100,000 pounds a week away, and as I'm shy away from a demand na I could know some demand, and I'm no case. I know that you'll be our 180,000 pounds a week. I could only say 1 year 350,000 pounds. Now what to be and a Liverpool yes one with 70,000 pounds abaka 180,000 now some of 70 and then about 250,000 pounds yes one is say one all can work it is so 100,000 and a difference at Dakwadano and some other club and in front tama would demand 350,000 pounds a week, and someone and some other Jamua, one of some Jama Adeba Kwama coach na your friend Ruben Amorim Abu Fu, and now one ma a Ganacho and a Chasa Rashford. Woman and one call a game be answer. Yes, Rashford cried the other day. Many chances you cannot war, not Shannon Sunumum. Aya kwanani dimina yesi mani jana say your boy is training no nani shada njeho and an application our quarantine oba no mo training say be a coach at so say you say you fast here also apply Samuel mano yes Rashford application no many jana enya impressed and watch it yesi ni dimina as wo muna data baby ayam money chamsu bi ase you be 2 year yo obo ya be kwaja coach no udi akokra ama akra no kra no yesi why say na be kwadi abono unso benya bi abona chapa internet the best and sakwada no ebe pe baby ensom afa eno aye update eba honsam no ye de ema ye tefo enano pay ensom awo show no so asna boboko no womani asam biribiam na ade ba ko no sa aye Rafinha I was in a kind of FC Barcelona. Yes, Arsenal team no womani abrepa because bankum so hono Arsenal team for born in for ama say amano ka so mo say womo so ngaba so mo nya Rafinha no and some adenaba boboku a ye friend Arsenal Chelsea coach and was say woman team in Premier League ba she ewiase nyina mu no ya kukum ade amati kwapai and yes one was say team of Belgium league consider sa goal na one consider against Brentford etidia biam Jamie Carragher say ono de one kwan ohun onye ni sabia Chelsea betimi age eye Premier League title sense one only goalkeeper and 2 wo here central defenders mienu na Tesaraba Sanchez no crowd here washenegu na Thierry Henry enso kasai and one adjom our Monday night football Henry on Chelsea when we sound so penin. Now, also who Chelsea say,
look, we've seen Leicester doing it. We've seen teams before that no one expected to do it, reaching it. I'm just thinking one thing that they still didn't do with that generation is to be the team that's in and around them. You know, I think did they beat Liverpool or an Arsenal? Or you mentioned that before the show, so I'm not stealing the line of Jamie. Look, we've seen Leicester doing it. We've seen teams before that no one expected to do it, reaching it. I'm just thinking one thing that they still didn't do with that generation is to be the team that's in and around them. You know, I think, did they beat Liverpool or an Arsenal? Or you mentioned that before the show, so I'm not stealing the line of Jamie, but almost there. They still didn't beat a big team. Yeah, they came back against Tottenham, but show me you can beat Liverpool, show me you can beat City, show me you can beat Arsenal. You know, and then you will be like, oh, hang on a minute, wait.
Stage of their development, yeah.
You understand what I mean? There is a step there. Look, we've seen Leicester doing it. We've seen teams before that no one expected to do it, reaching it. I'm just thinking one thing that they still didn't do with that generation is to be the team that's in and around them. You know, I think did they beat Liverpool or an Arsenal? Or you mentioned that before the show, so I'm not stealing the line.
Coach with half a brain is only turn around and say what Maresca says.
Right.
But the fact is he's talking nonsense. How can you say they're not ready to compete when they're only 2 points off the top of the table?
So what he's saying is wrong, but what he's saying is right.
Well, yes, and actual technically yes.
Yeah, there we go. I like it.
But that's not really what matters. What matters is what goes on between the brains of the players, because the players that are the ones that can mess it up. And as Nathan said, Leicester City showed that it's possible.
Yes.
But when you get to the top of the league, the whole pressure completely comes at a different angle and a different way. And so, any decent coach with half a brain is going to turn around and say what Maresca said.
Right.
But the fact is he's talking nonsense. How can you say they're not ready to compete when they're only 2 points off the top of the table?
So what he's saying is wrong, but what he's saying is right.
Well, yes, and actual technically yes.
Yeah, there we go. I like it.
But that's not really what matters. What matters is what goes on between the brains of the players, because the players that are the ones that can mess it up.
Yes.
And as Nathan said, Leicester City showed that it's possible.
Yes.
But when you get to the top of the league, the whole pressure completely comes at a different angle and a different way. And so right now, 100% Chelsea have had a free ride to second spot in the Premier League. Any decent coach with half a brain is going to turn around and say what Maresca said.
Right.
But the fact is he's talking nonsense. How can you say they're not ready to compete when they're only 2 points off the top of the table?
Bishop now on where there.
I mean, I don't know what's going on about their uncle Bizana because they are traditionally in a when I know him, so Trocrani Bissau. Oh, but then I is castle. Oh, it's not until fan a banner. Ember TV.
Okay.
Na me shebo say 31st ansa na ebe ko break no. Fury to akramo betu. Because akra no nko de ni sie. Nipa na me kan 170 for akomia. Nko de ne ba no a oni adwoa wo ye no. Nka de akra no ko sie front desk.
Why
adwoa no ni front desk. Ene de ne conqueror.
Aye.
Enyo ono na ye kan 170. Wow.
Na sa adwo awo.
Sompa Sports.
Akrano wan ba.
Enya me ba.
Wakodi akrano.
David me nya akrano.
Woni akrano ba bia.
Akrano de so magine akrano.
Adene nye ne Friday
before. Sa akrano de magine on de so obesra ye nyina.
Obesra hwan.
Me wo
good.
Apostle. Obi bi o adwuma mu bia.
Ye mu hwan na je akrano.
Oh, na se me de me penkula se na me je akrano.
Ampa.
E penkula se na me je akrano.
Me de penkula. Midasi.
It will pana de pana na woji.
Papa. Me say what semba wow to me. Fashion team say me itwe wa enu eni maso ye den entiasem
Sports.
Gogu.
Amen no.
Enye mo bi papa mebo mi o.
Oboa. Obo, me so oboa da.
Enye mo bi papa
asem no. Eno no try. I will continue to say this. If you get any opportunity, me nyampa mbom. Because maybe your personal family commitment, fancy coming in Kroma.
Yeah.
But so you tell us here, the slightest opportunity, leave this country. Akumia, life is a lot better. Mine will be under that. Then Tina say, me nam for na me no muko school. Victor Mo, Bloomfield. No we Chikawa brucha. No I say what time me ko talk me teacher nka me twa nti ma me be kakra bi na de be fa kan. No, I Jimmy Bear.
Still na da so $1,000.
Now me the can about my license me demand me niaji. But can you second hand car? Bloomfield now me it's not the same class or Cambridge. And in the call the same class okay university no. Bloomfield that akotosa aka no Honda for no office. Actually mono. It second hand na brem. Why you juma in chow salary in Tino? You be beside school fees wo fu.
No woman.
So wow oba openo odono wakumem akochinchia ba na Liverpool share last minute 93rd minute winner Saturday o sa 5:30 match 4:30 and 5:30
ne 3 kra
like and ready
maybe we are 5:30 say be kwa
7:30 na monya sa 93rd minute winner no we go o kra nyina sorry wasori to say bibi na baby gas abe fa wanim o hwe Jesse Droski to ebi shase na hwe ne sre na hwe ne to mama na match e oba open no o de ne betumpem
Sompa Sports
na unya results na go when ya gidada nti no sa no nwehwe Sometimes the catch was I'm ovulating now. What is ovulation to stop the sex? Now they are man style baby. No have a catch or so. You conceive the baby with happiness. Oh, didn't tum pay my bonnet on. Who said a bow dono? Fancy. They are man come. No be catch or so man. Fancy this way NJ.
Oh yes.
But the lack yeah problem bunsam ni baby ah. Man kotena so mo kan just say bunsam ni fa babon bunsam ye bunsam yeah. That's why. Her young boys we say ganacho no ne and a girl ne na wo akomian kwa obi na odwane adwo ba na odwane. And I miss me cause obi am the picture na ma shadow ako. Picture ne nche se ma wo. Enti akra ne nya oba. Na se mitimi kuto bi ba na. Uko kuro bi ba wo. Mitimi kuto bi ba. That's say they Friday miss me this up. Further and better particulars the better say oba. I
for the birth certificate la ka ofabra.
And they won't show me them the beba. Enti no. Here ye tan na ye tan no. Asem nya. Minimum didn't ni ye adwuma bebe. Didn't ni mouse cause if am mo so biscuit na no atete ho.
Asem ve great. Fancy bi sro man nkasa na.
Enya adwuma na ne ye.
Fancy man nto aso ni.
Yes boss na ne. Gabriel Jesus onyim. Na ye nyim.
Gabriel Jesus wife story.
No one asem ne ye catch on. It is not different ke. Yeah problem no. Lack akomia ye ni bi. No ka say o ska be na kan be high ho. No. Kosombo na me dansi onim tab. Na me ni hwa do me bridge no so. Na me ni baby girls. Na so that's what I mean. Let's just look at that. That's something no there can. That's something no can. Hey, enkofo no player na friend is a Misha so onim no. Mikhailo Mudrik kwa kofe no boni. Ono what the statement about bontin say abeka. Say wa fairly A test B. Na ono de no really uncle friend boni a professional athlete. Ntino you hear any say B sample no so beba. Omo to 62 rising to 80 million pounds. Wama in 26 starts in the Premier League, wama 5 goals. Machina no may substitute appearance every film. So na be a machuma make say me bias. Now, for that money. And then Koya Chelsea far so far Misha. Because now Misha, Mikhailo Mudrik ne say or ko Arsenal an sir. Your best say Osa we only 25 years. Then so ni sika no. Ahwa wo nya bi dan wo. Enunti the best of lawyers, therapists. Then only Enzo Fernandez year training. No?
Yes.
Shapiovsky, Dimitrio Shapiovsky. I'm sorry, this year training nibi. Yeah, now Enzo Maresca beka so yai. It was after Aston Villa match. No, be unu biem. Now no Heidenheim game. No so ko she go come on. Ombo biem. Problem ho. They should give him the support he needs. This football club has precedent. Mikhailo Mudrik. And yet they been see Denier. Adriamutu. At the fan fest and the free Italy by Obefa cocaine. I'm pretty sure that provisionally they will suspend him. But Nejumoya any football. Sports, the biggest enemies in the air drugs. Nemum air profound in athletics. But this is not the first time a footballer. Pep Guardiola also failed drug test. You get it? It's your best. They should give him the support he needs. They should all be around him. It is not the best of things. I come in him say way say B sample never confirm A sample na. Ni person change and say we di kind in Johnson no. Di kind na ni mo jam e di kind ma on. Eno na afili. You say ni bi ma hwe say sa na ti ampa. Ana say ntisa ansana asotwe bi a ho aba. Na say hu Paul Pogba. Ina na nkomo edi ni say na ne career no agigya ne sa. Sabio me nkama ne ngwa ne mo akra no osu akakra. Whatever happens, your best said they should back him. So even if he has to face punishment, post-punishment, he will be rehabilitated back into Nejuma Oye. Or the Oye is a footballer. Now, so the man is a corner, no. Mizura. Like I said, if the B sample is confirmed, the contract will be terminated.
Yeah.
We also soon or sign long-term contracts, maybe. So until your best say. So they should support him. Baby, you know,
Sompa sports.
The B sample results, no. Emra. Nah, you the best. So it's like that. It happens, and then you'd have to be careful. And say, you want to me na make a chair me down for say, Leverkusen for no GD say at both ages, Florian Wirtz is a better footballer than Kai Havertz. Nti e omo de kra say Kai Havertz e kono omo invest sika no do no in a replacement. Nemum they would use Florian Wirtz. Now, Florian Wirtz oye to say promised child. Nana Manson edano. School. Omo ko the friend physical education one P. Emma obi tia ne nsaso. So he faced a disciplinary action in school. Oba afie na Saturn no Cologne. Omo ka share say in sports, actions are mostly not detected, but reactions are always magnified and they are punished. This will be the nsawo weni na referee hu na so ko boni panasuma. E be ma red card. Now, look at his age. I can imagine say the best example of Saudi way of Modern Florian Wirtz na then. And Omukuyi 2006 World Cup for obvious reasons. Materazzi and Zidane. And Zidane is one of the players Accra Usa. I feel already 21. Until Minka saw Zidane gidi. 2006 this in there. It's almost 18 years. So what if you age in saying? So they had to explain the things to him. Usa. Only the Bible videos nibi.
That is 2006, not 3 years.
Exactly. The character formation from that point, became strong. Then the mama and the papa. Eko Cologne. Emma Cologne for Efre Rudivola. Eka Chene say, Akrano, they can't sign him. Ntino, Omumane Konkonho. This was in January 2020. Okay? Manson Basso. Rudivola and Bayer Leverkusen ignored the gentleman's agreement and the family's plea. Accra and the papa plea. They went ahead to sign him because of his promise. About January, 18th May, at 17 years and 34 days,
Sompa
he made his debut for Leverkusen, surpassing Kai Havertz's record as the youngest player to have played for Leverkusen ever. Bundesliga. And for Rudivola, they paid specific attention to him because he was the future. Pustavet. Now, offensive midfielder. He's very skillful. Or vision. He passes very well. He moves very well. But the end product, now, if you have a footballer at age 20 who bought an invincible season at the Amani club, Abba Europa League final, Mario Godza China national team exploits mo. And on Koda. Now, Obibaka say Ebia last season no FI. The man here Manson Akra or sign promised child Boshebano. No. This is somebody who suffered an ACL. Onya ACL injury nibi.
Yeah.
Now, post ACL wa recover as stabilizing as cementing as one of the integral double inverted number 8 for the national team. Ubabo Jamal Musiala did for whatever reasons because of Bayern Munich. But fancy, untimi nyi Accra way film. This season, in 14 Bundesliga games, almost 6 goals. And all the 4 assists at Tato. That's 10 goal involvements for an offensive midfielder in 14 games. Consistent. Now in the Champions League, that one is even dire. Because in 6 games, our 6 goal involvement, 5 goals, and then 1 assist. The word is at the seat. Dembele called Finland. After Sa hamstring, they rushed him. Pedri, same. Dr. Kugat. Ansu Fati, same. Fancy. Yami Yamano. Heno Bianco Rational. Edidane and yet the preco.
Oh, Mesa.
Fancy, it actually hurts. Baby Barcelona and ICC say Omolusu a key player in Yamal at this moment in time. Now, one thing I may bomb pioneer say I could wait there no ensemble the history of top Barcelona youngsters are who Because in the space of about 2 or 3 months, I think say Yamal, this is the second injury when you're over 4 weeks. Before the international break, on your injury. Omoko international break nearby and Hansi Flick became once him sa kolani nyanya ready so bebo. Now wababo 2 or 3 games pe. Abebo 4 atwaso abo Champions League kakra. Ye wie ya akorana say pilgrim okosen ya oko 4 weeks. Ye dinyame din sire wo mo. Whatever that is there, omunya abotrema akorana nkombra. We don't want to see a situation of Pedri. Yempe a situation.
I'm sure not to catch you. Say, most amount for the message say about P about volume near them say, sound now radio no aye yikakra, but omo shy and wojumanti. Okay. Momon fanche nyaboape. Mwamuti radio no. And our Facebook for no so complaining about a sound. Yeah. Say volume no fanche. Momon fanche technicians no guswa. Omo yang wojumanti.
Fancy, you look at how our situation is here Obasa now. They need to look at it very quietly and find a way to deal with it. Away from Yamal injury situation now, you should say betimi apejano. Lewandowski, Hansi Flick, Barcelona situation that they find themselves in. Baby Omujina say the Barcelona will be desperate because Real Madrid are catching up with the number of points no modi twi omuno. Kenono kra nya yawo. But Oyo Atletico Madrid team ni di. Now results na Atletico Madrid for ni nya na. Then you begin to question yourself. Say, I did way mistake. Ukraina senior Real Madrid the Belgian league in Atletico Madrid beat Madrid, which maybe it is say no. Atletico Madrid have the quality to win the league. Yeah. Atletico Madrid boka 90+ million euros. Ekofa Julian Alvarez then buy. And wow, almost half a solos. Edene buy.
League in so.
That means league na nkasa na omobono. Nipa ekori as a season no. No ne Dove Beck no every go king no ne be fa ho beje ye no omako ne dinaba in the La Liga omako sign top scorer dinaba so mo de ne beji league ono kra ba won hyase obe pm the English Premier League Julian Alvarez more a number of games farm Manchester City as a starter but the name offer subs more the Premier League in terms of the number of goals and impact on ye league ni mo now when they decline Julian Alvarez last season for Manchester City wakoho Akwakofa Julian Alvarez and Naba. 2 top strikers. Already Antoine Griezmann Griezmann ye bebo season you know. One man crano betima 15 goal involvement in terms of goals and assists. Edna Babi shame. And they have an experienced coach. Asemne ni ya den Ediama Barcelona. Because the quality na Atletico Madrid won. And the level of consistency ujam omachre in the last 5 games obiantimi and Atletico Madrid say so mo yes anyoma we are ubesuru because on a normal day Atletico Madrid last season a community hete game the be end in a draw and you away games be omako peke omunya shase with omo 1-0 yem concede 1-0 yem concede 1-0 yem concede then na nyoma no bank kakra one win ya league ni be free wonsa Hansi Flick pressure will be on him Barcelona pressure be wo so ba basafo na nkasa ntena se no mo hwa de bi kakra bi sisi e hwa de se Xavi Hernandez de adwuma ne to won mu ha se team ni nye yenko sign players in form mra mu hope na apagya ni nyina se mbetimi agi league ni nyina ye nipa ba ko pe Hansi Flick without Hansi Flick Barcelona fans, no credit na me anymore. You buy into this season, money GDS league, move it me age.
Yeah. As I was starting and said here, unya.
Because our transfer market now.
Start now.
Real Madrid sign Kylian Mbappe. Madrid players in conform who go on with team ya. Obi free mobi beka ho. We Vinicius Junior form we ya. Any come fast ko Champions League now. What one man say, hey, David an go for mu dey ade o mu ye ide. Also call transfer market mu ase na sign player bia ye call preseason e Mark Bernard and Mark Casado mu na ebo e ye Hansi Flick so keep calm and allow Hansi Flick to do his job keep calm and allow Hansi Flick to do his job season e wa na me say Italian Serie A na e kwa na nim na ye draw the difference between omo ye title contenders ni omo nye currently assistants Inter Milan Napoli and Atalanta omumi ensa na the title contenders when it comes to the Serie A. Juventus nye ready. Juventus game na omo bon omo lose game o. This season, what check out Juventus in the lose game in the Italian Serie A. But look at the number of draws on Mabo. But games are all expected to Juventus bury now only be keep up at the top no. Ultimate, especially ultimate Venezia Ufi. Any Venezia mo 2-2 if you want to win the league. No. But Napoli to quite call you dini. Any dini say ball game. Eshomo by 3-1 away. He wants to win the league. And Inter Milan actually with authority. I travel like Rome. I cover Lazio. I send saying 6-0.
Abra Lazio so team ne.
Abra Lazio team ne ye papa. And yes, Lazio team ne yo. Papa. Because over the Europa League, Lazio toss second on the Boba Omuna toss with the Europa League. And the league, no, not before this game, Lancashire no money lose in the last 5 games. And Lazio won and never throw. Lazio a crumple to quine a win the game away. Editia one of the top sides in the Italian Serie A, Omunio pre for league. Napoli. So Bekaya. Just last weekend, I'm call Napoli because Napoli by 1-0. And I'm raising your more title credentials. And say, oh, and then yes, you have Bemuka and commodity. But my refuse to say Atlanta so call away to Cagliari. So I give them more than Papa.
Omunya one share.
So look at the title contenders in the Italian Serie A and how they are dealing with their away games. Now who Juventus Sutifie, the AC Milan. These two teams, I think, as it stands when it comes to the Italian Serie A, they are out. And Inter Milan with enough quality and the men to deal with such situations. But once Enra on Monday Night Football was Sky, Karagane, Terry Honu, Regina Bechere, Adiama Diallo, ye. Any technique, I would say. People are praising Amadiallo because Omo Chenyema.
Meza before so bekono.
Barella
no. And will be post and a cry or tip off me by Nipan say any moments be a best start a conversation about a be our best midfielders or more banner a bo pedre any gavi. Na ya bojama musiala bat omumbo Nicolo Barella.
Barella has always been
born out kwada we born so Pep Guardiola nya kwada na ni serious ya breno.
Newcastle for ya dey season na no kwakoto tuneli no. Komunya akwa we ya kewu. Because kono na nkani Bruno Guimaraes babebo. Omo anya no mo kofa Tonelli. Quick because now AC Milan here is catching Inter Milan as at that time. Barella has been consistent. Opo bi awaya consistent for the national team and for club side. He's there. Barella was so okra. Now no jam say no mun tamskalo no mun rent Milan or Liverpool for am because he's that good. He's that good. Proper central campista. Now me come at Diallo asem. Me Ruben Amorim ka asem ya ba ma Diallo say munya abotre na Manchester United enkula ni siso abopeje omododo. Hwe. Ade amani baji wo mi wiase am ba ne pass menya ne yebenya ni patuntum a ofu Africa. A obesha Manchester United number 7 JC.
But momo coach na ba so. Coach we no ya ba ba say Maresca de ne bi. Or buying in the press conferences and in the post match and in the pre match, or can ask him pain. Rashford, the way said it Ten Hag, it me the D Jadon Sancho. No, I can confidently tell you, no through Rashford,
no through.
Yes,
there's a reason
for
why
coach we a bench Ganacho. No, you better last season say be an best player by far.
Okay. Your greatest strength can always be your greatest weakness. Fancy. On said the be Troy example, Jam. We read about the Greeks. Any Troy in your story now. We always forget to say that Achilles heel now
Sompa sports.
More or less, no. Not fancy. And then the money to me moves swift and fast in terms of battle. But at the same time, and any weakness. Manchester United, they pan in terms of formal history now. No. Team no much will be about say academy for the tragedy team. No. They are proud of themselves to say. They be no more can't say oh yeah they since 19 ho every single match they be an academy player. They are proud of that. But in a long run as it stands now, no, the production line around the academy line is not producing top quality players, not only in terms of technical quality and asset talent, but inbuilt attitude. Scores more attitude brutal. And Adriana no more the bubble and different. The reason why Gary Neville, Gary Neville is not exceptionally talented. You can't do for about England. Me de be American. You Gary Neville di Waji League Waji say, but Omo mu exceptional. Nankasa Gary Neville is not part in terms of talent. But then the attitude. So I think the academy has been able to groom some talents to give to Manchester United senior team, but they need to go down there and look at their attitudes. And we Ghana to Subai, na Rashford Subai, they heard you on modern namu because some feel is a team near Modia. But I'm happy for Amad Diallo. She quite fast born a course.
So say Bell just say Obenya number 7.
Me, I want Amad Diallo to be the first African player to wear the number 7 jersey for Manchester United.
What drew?
He will be there soon. Managers 2 seasons. Fancy Manchester United are boka wo mo right wing one chair. Omu tria 70. No mu tria 100. Obi wo kura ba ko tria the number emfa. But Akoda way is proving a point to Manchester United fans. Said Debbie, I am ready for it and I'm ready to send me Sabiti soon. And the technical quality he offers this team, any the OCT quantity fancy, it's just a matter of time. Okay. The number 7 jersey no.
Okay. Whoa, Mate, me say. Right, yemre na fe yento so emfremfri a yebe say ye call eba but quick Liberty Conference ebeba so nyame ya duma Saturday ebe ya we Thanksgiving na chese na siasum no ane ye dema ye area free Psalm chapter 107 verse 1 eho ana openi eyi asem no enso ade free ayo man ne yodubu ache wono ana chese dwumade esi ne sire so wono enso ade say food for thought womo eno man ministries and so na kabo mama dwumadi eno so baso na mama Esther ni minister Kwame Jedu minister Moses okay ni minister Kwaku Jesse Esther nyameche mu nyina no enso ba program na sentia no ahye enso dia mai Saturday 6 o'clock anopa na dwumadi no enso baso nti foundation na manioma enye fine enso from our doc na ho ye de
Yakupa da Roma menia
nim say traffic ya
what is it I know
the pop sports. Oh, don't into your bronya about.
Yeah, bronya neighbor. And so you're trying no. Say your peace. And election agitations near the no. Say na ma yadwemu ye bibia aye certain. Until now we can enjoy our Christmas.
That's right. That's right. Don't get into
you me that's me am for konye so na machi ya watiefo na wahwefo yina. Gentleman dental clinic. So nim say gentleman de oti ye nka na che say esen ene nipa yenum ho asem na ye beka. Na nipa bia no oti say ye ka esen ho asem de a na e wo say utimi enya daje ene break akra na do waso fm yen. Because ye sen ho asem no ehia pa yi. Nipa dua no ebetimi afanhye ye kura na ni nyina no efri ye sen ene yenum ho asem. Yes. We say ye engine no a eye ye funu no the gateway to the stomach no ene ye Sompa sports enti digestion bibia e be take place where ye mbia no sha se free enum eno enti ne da bia no ya na ehun be hia se oti se ye ka esen ne yenum ho asema na che se e wo se otimide waso fm ye gengemed ene kakra na ye besua no eye services bebre ene ye wo ye clinic ho ye scaling and polishing ye oral examinations ena ye teeth whitening ye san ye teeth extraction se esen tu ana say esen no opese yentu emfiri ho surgical extraction ni na gengemed eye bi wo ho ena ye san so ye root canal treatment ena afensu so ye san so eye gold and silver crown services we na gengemed eye bi e wo na so eye kakra na na ye beka ho asem no eye scaling and polishing teeth whitening ena teeth replacement na teeth whitening no ye ka ho asem misesi no eye se opese oye ose no fita na ya na bebre enim se ye ka teeth whitening no a eno ane se cleaning no nso so da bi ye wo cleaning ena ye wo teeth whitening cleaning no eno ane ye san ka no scaling and polishing no ena teeth whitening no nso so e wo ho se eno nso so de e make sure se wo sena nkasa ye be ma na aye fita na obi be ka se hia be na hia se e wo se wo seno oye ne fita wo hu se owie o maya brem ne o mofra bremu anase o mranti bremu no eseno eye fita na eye very white but onyine no activities enema yedi ekoyeyem ene enema ye nonom ekoyeyem ye wo stain beverages bebre ene fruits bebre a stain teeth no enti ubon se ebedru at the age of 30 going no na eseno ankasa hyase a e discolor eno ena ema ne hia se ewo se utimi ema sen no koye se de ankane na ete no pepepe ena afenso ye wo beverage bit se cafe ena leptin menka se jaisa enema no nom but sa enema no so etimi esteni teeth no Christmas year dru bon say adofo bebra omo amanone on say ukọ na enonom de ne beverages bebra hodo no este ni titi no adaje nso ntina ma ya na ye ni entimi nko eseno ho kese enti da bia na ebedru ba bi na fi okasa woni pamu a na ono akasa ehu se ne sena boso na asesa na fi ama ofere entimi ema ne confident no entimi install enti ebasa no a odi wani ekire gentleman dental de ye friend tit white no ewo hwa ye be make sure say sustain na accumulate wo titi no so ama osena adiscala yellow no nyina no ye be ye free ho wodin wana na ama oseno asan aye kama kama te se de anka na etie pepepe abra ensan koye se de na etie ni bium if you say esen ankasa no eteki time ansana ebetimi adiscala eno nti no se ye yeti twite ne ma wa eche anase ensan koye se de anka na etie ni bium ansana ana afen so ye word ye fe ni scaling and polishing no so ewo ho eno ne ye fe ni cleaning no de eye say wo to obo ase na wayiyi enema yellowish any green ya na ehihye esene ntamu no eno ene ye fe ni cleaning anase scaling and polishing no na eno oba clinic ka ye de abefo kwanso difidie ahoro aya na nipa bebre ehu saa yellow na enema na ehihye esene ntamu no a aya na ye fisi ye betim de knife bi anase dadoa bi ayi saa enema no ekoba sa wo try say odi yi esene ntam sa no na o create wounds e de ama o gam no afei ebe kakra no na wanya gum bleeding anase gum infections obetimi adudu mpempenso bi a ebetimi abeja o chronic periodontitis afei ebedu ba bi na wo sena nkasa e chia na ebi e pull liver out na ye tenten ni nyina na ye se achi nam no mu yare a wan kasa no wan hwe yi a obetimi e de ama wo ho emra o yisu sharp element bi say o try say o de be yi o senentam no ebetime create sa nema no problem no e de amount eno nti say o hu say plaque anase title yellow ni green a share senentam a e wo say o de tu anamon e ba clinic doctor beto no bo ase e de abefo kwan so nimde kwan so ayiyi sa nema na e hihye senemu nyina afiri ho na ma o se no ankasa aboso no asan abeyese de na ite anase asan e kama ebiem e de amount eno ene efe ni scaling and polishing no anase cleaning no na enye cleaning nso a oyisu otimidi ensu ohuru onum ewo fie ne bi said the medi kan no ye wo machine sa ye de ye sa adwuma no eno nti oba ye be yi ni nyina afiri obon se na wo sena se ada ho na ma wo se no afi ye ma wo medication ye ma wo nduru afi obon se na wo sena asan agina kama na ma esena se ayedin obi wo ha o we sa o ti pain ewo osenemu ana ojo no baabi wo ha wontimi mfa aduane enko ho eye obi a on time ko clinic enko ye clinic no ena etimi ye sa pain no obebai nanum ana so di ahwehwe behwe nanum suso no onhu bibia o but o wisa ana se o bite ade o that side na o ti yaw ana se aya na etimi ne ya eye gam no ena bacteria e wo ha na amana ye inflamed ana se ahono enti se o ye obi a on time ye clinic na ye fe scaling and polishing no a una obetimi I experience sa problem no oye obi nso a on time nko dental clinic for professional cleaning and scaling and polishing na ye ka ho asemi nso a wonso so no ebetimi aduru ba bia obonse na ntokuro a ye friend cavities and say tooth caries obonse na osena nkasa ntokuro atotom na afei o sa na eye wo ya na afei ama osena etutu ne beba ne se ewo se obeba clinic se yentu eseno emfa mawo na se oye obi a otatu anamon dental clinic for cleaning and say scaling and polishing no a ontai enko saa tibia no na se nyade a obehu saa problem no eno nti na ehia se brano bia na ewo se utimi ekohu dentist for professional cleaning and scaling and polishing no ye ka ho asem no gentleman dental ye chi akwan enya yira kwan ewo kumase oduru kumase a ye wo Abrepo Junction total filling station echi wo pe ho na gentleman dental ye wo ena se wo nkran soso a Accra ye wo Nungwa udru Nungwa main lorry station gentleman dental ewo ho ye sanso branch ba kon ewo Accra atomic down domekwa benya runabout no so wa gentleman branch ba kon so afi Koforidua nsoso ye wo Koforidua central market wo ya bronsan no ufura na ukọ central police station no a ewo central market ho no anase ode uduru ho a obetimi asan frɛ numbers na ewo screen no so no Dr. Ebefa na ono atwetwe nkoma na ebema direction na won so otimi atu anamo udu takorade ayo Tadisco Junction udu pipe ano traffic light na obefa kwan na ekọ Tadisco Junction no banchiase kev no mu aba bia former GN bank na ewo no eho na gentleman dental yo techiman so gentleman ewo kenten kwan so magazine market kwan no anase kwan na ekọ market no eso na gentleman dental ewo branch bia eye adwuma firi edadwoada kopem eda memreda anopa no nwotwe kopem anwumre no nsia da bia na gentleman ewo ho a yesom oman no ene ye nyankopon if you say yes a service to mankind is a service to God enti yesom nipa na ye mo wapom den se bronyan na abai obi ebeto na aduane ye bekum emo ahodo a ye betimi de adidi e de agresi ye no a won susu wafa mu bebra nipa bebre anto omo nyame aye adom amana beto no obe try say obe didi obe nonnom oni adofo ebehia osen eye oya anase wonum apomuden no wofom a saa anije we nyina no enya de a obetimi agibi obeto enam no nso obi bewe amawo enti free saa mre na fasa akwanyan so a gentleman ye promotion ema Christmas yi se be ya obi bia betimi de saa akwanyan so aba besiesie ne se no wo so fa saa akwanyan so na fabra gentleman dental kan ne se wo kuma se wa Brepo Junction akra ye wo hokofo yudu atakorade tachiman ana aflawo udu aflawo ababia Eco Bank ewo no eho na gentleman dental branch ba konso ho oba ye beto ye mbo ase ne aye de ye friend examination no ye hu hawa ekoso wonum ho de na doctor eyema wa ebeboa na ya to ye mbo ase ne aye treatment no e de ama na onso so ho atimi ayeden ato na onso atimi adi ubronya ama onso wani atimi age afei de twato me de me kasa eba wie ne fancy gentleman afibia no ye awards night ye say oman bia onyi ne heroes no aye no ayana oman is no worth dying for eno nti no oba gentleman dental yensuso no ye try say within the year no omo a ye ne omo eye adwuma omo abo omo ho modern ahye gentleman animonyam no a yensuso ye yida ba akosi ho na ye de abo staff ene obi bia ye encounter nti yetimi ma television award and as a best radio station award na yasan so ama best supplier awards afi staff no so overall best staff and best administrators best clinicians best doctor for gentleman dental ye yisa da no so ye dinner and awards night ye didi na ya nonnom na ya boss ani pay for abaso television stations aye no mo ye adwuma radio stations aye no mo ye adwuma omo to omo bo ase service yenye esom ye sompa no gentleman ani so ye ma award no so a check kese sanitary to a eye on the 30th ye ewo Koforidua last year ye Kumasi this year Koforidua enti ye Koforidua Partners May Hotel eho ene ye no on the 30th ye to nsafre obi bia nso ye customers ni nso ye to nsafre obi bia say eda no dura no so ombra na one yen emebom ye da atiefo ase fa number no na frɛ ewo 055 913 95 82 055 913 95 82 ofra obi be for bia wo bia na wo be frɛ ye number na ebi ne so ne bia ye da atiefo ase
yes we da se gentleman eno no yeko break aba yenkombra.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Obuasi Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo! Kumasi, Yamamu Amrado, King Paluta, and Stone Ball. New one in here. Obuasi Gringo Beaters. 24 December. Kumasi Heroes Pack. Chilinina. We'll take it to 50 Ghana cities. Obuasi Gringo Beaters Carnival. Gringo!
We don't give a fuck with someone one time.
Yamama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yeduma dia yedia ne say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ate anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efi fixed one no anase yeta frɛ no permanent one no eno nso so yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene frɛ no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afei yesan eye
cleaning services oba your profession no mu na your friend is killing and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen no mu say bi okasa etimi ma pampan ene ade ebagu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkran so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down domekwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takrade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan no so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na ya bronsan no na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem eda memeda wetimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
If I shop down, I'm sure you're bad.
Brother, and not to be.
Not tell me about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy me fearful, and not your back ever so.
Maybe I don't this offending now.
Bra, so make us a me time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. And to say malaria, where draw any time about Misha.
I never go, dear, no more to I want to meet any deal. What draw any time about Misha? A drink and your mark or bar waffle through. Dear one mark or down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. Shasta Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be an ziva a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA aji a jogging crotway at all.
They say we are seeing Mudi. Ejuma Bakun to me, wow, enti prebi bisia kahu. For GDA, any akukudro, ubetinia Yamana Brusumpo. Call RTM Training Center. Now one for 3 weeks a pair and show send ye tree excavator and also your operative forklift. Yeria, yeba some mouse certificate in the akahu. Nasa wupe say after training also, Utu Kwankwa Maimbisu to Canada, Hungary, Romania, Czech Republic, Akwaye Juma or Honswa, ye we Juma.
Ebi ahwe fribia se wonya bre na ohwe ye RTM Training Center adwumaku a ye boawo emansa na adwuma tetew se de be ya obetimi de abobra akwanim se wo de bobra ga na ha na se wo de tuku akwa amanane RTM Training Center betimi aboa e wasa kwan ne so se opeso osua forklift opeso osua excavator opeso osua wheel loader anase backhoe ana opeso osua plumbing na e di britie bi be boawo amwatimi ehunu na watini so de akwa akobobra e wo ba bia pese wo de kobobra bia RTM Training Center institution.
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo me se abofra keto wanya 2 years aka dai ba kum nti African Spider-Man bla me ya abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so anu ti ka me ho ne ko hwede wo mbia expectation ka African Spider-Man e ba be se bo abofra yi ba preoccupy ne hu African Jack wo ba be se bo abofra na wo secret kura no anything Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret. Na dia na ye. Na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fom. Ana police me di ho adan se tell me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so we no a boost immune system. Ama say me yetua na me ntebre. Metimi di kama. Ama nkeka wo dwom so ekoso. Me kura so me tai yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko. Enye je na koso ho. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture. Ewo pharmacy and also herbal shops. Apim for any kola umundi if you do me no enom. FDA ajigede nkatwe atu.
So wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fie and sorry. Say ye paps ahodo. Baby bia wo hia wallpaper de do djuma bia no. OP wallpapers. Efro. Yama wallpapers ebe match blind curtains. Eba no bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mar shapes. Colors ahodo ni nyina. Obenya bia to e wona so ye ho. Say OP LED backlight e de above flash screen echia. And also OP ebe mobi. So OP selfie ring lights. Auto phone bishim. Aye OP wallpapers and ebe ma selfie ring lights. OP ewo Kumasi Adum first floor. Nana Kwesi Ajman building name. Tafo GNTC building first floor. Ana chronom our barrier on the market na edianim hwe. So open wholesale and also retail. Any OP any south so. For OP our 0540 353750. Mamenhye time HH herbal mixture bi na wonumi ene wa tadropa
Eyadro say nipadua nkwamoa no enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwa koto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebetwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr edia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wopemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr wobenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Eyadro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoe atum na ede na aya obayi a oda forma so ne yafunu mu ni
oh Mr. Entry also yare ya titi be benfie pi nanso ne yam nyono da se me chew no ahodo amato a me hunu hwe a ebe ya nwanwa
menyi ni say what also tamfo Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture yanum bom kutia also no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dadaada also dro die eno ne Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture
akom ni nchiremu
also yekura eto yefunu ene ensunumu etumi a wo yefunu ekeka wa wogire wo ho a enye also etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie somehow also there compare Hexa capsules any Hexa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudu atu a ko Okanshi drug lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takradi AA Mensa Anafre 02038228555 apefo abatan a woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfie dumienu enka ho Hexa capsules ene ne mixture
all satamfo FDA age edwadie nkrato yi atom
afinsiapa Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center say woma nyina afinsiapa Dr. Obo say obronya achede de mo obia achede no ni ompeso obia de yare besa fefoforo na say ne santi every 16 December the 25 December obetimi akọ Herbal and Medical Research Center tena ya ewo Ghana ha ba bia akohwehwe woni padua mu a onye wo kapre me kire say free into wasebra no ncheke wakoma o kidney wo liver ne woni padua akọ aka ne maw so wo hwe na yade omu a obesa ma wo bra wanye usika kese bia na wase acho 30% kire say untue sika twitwiridie so wo yade bi wo so na wako an nkwa for bronya achedi so na ko Dr. Bonchen na wansa yade eka obebo bia nso obeche omu 30% sene nso ma me bia mo se promotion na bronya achedi shase 16 December dia kozi 21st December na ebekoso ewo Bo Heba branches edidi suwe Kaswa official town Obenjedi restaurant Nkransa awade sheman edrakwan so Kumase obehunu wo Adwatu adumanu Sunyane owo Zinko on immigration center ne de adumhwe Tetiman Obenkente Royal House open chemu abro mi de so a obetimi afọ Bo Heba ro number si so 0549161508 ni 0550191514 afi 0549385619 Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center Abibidro Kasa.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Whoa. Yebefie ni ababeto aso ede afifie na make out say Sompa chede no nso ebeba so anti ye kunafo no adoye ye nyankan so adoye bronya ba ebia wode ne de eyo okay say akukọ ne mo ne sa ne ma nyina no nyame adom wode ne ye kama betimi anya bi enso area check wa afa ne mom wo ni bi no ye say o ma wonsa enso so obakunani su a say won hira de ya na ano odempa anti ebia wa de bi bon empire cha bomode enso do ho behiem kakra bi obenya de babia na ensa say more 5 kilos afei ebia aye bottle back 25 anase bia bottle mienu se de obetimi aye bia no de ba ye beje ebiem enso aye se bia cooking oil aye ntade entoma tomato paste NHS macronom adebia afun so de che order sani aye ye bia de mo bakuna ni bia no de ba ye beje na ya da waso bakuna ni susom na serious na from makas nyame nshawa unshana no dempa ebi nso ameka sai wode en eye momo ana abeso de ba number ni yama 0241 272990 ana 0598 5598 02 na Blessed Foster and I said Tarawan Media no ana Dean was so I was saying no and eba na Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center shall see and 16th and they omo juma when a free health screening and omo dema domo kanin and say womo screening pedwane nyina ba bia yade bia and so esi ombe ye pie na oma so amo no adro kama na de Genesis I will see a treat to so a dro bia beto bia no womo ma 30% discount we no omo kwa na de Saturday ama omo branches awodo ewo eye sunyane ewo biwo kaso anom emo nso ewo techman emo kumase de no womo ewo adoato adomanu number is 0550191514 na onim panfo no enso enkase hwe fiesem ne na afi yemra so hanso folk enso adim kukuo ewo eye kumase asante woroko enso ensan eno ne ye ka eye Abubakar Watara enso awonsem sede na one nsantwofo yi enso yere ka so ewo post match no na ano odimpa na Watara ana yebisa na question ba kwa so no wonya Father Christmas another points achiche nana se mpo ko fa question be free eye babia de ba kagetiane o lotokio sumuba na ba bebusa no Watara young friend
don't give the gift for I say no you deserve to win this match don't take the question for Lotto ground at the cages having here please it's a match and 3 points so that's the important thing in football that is important thing in football the score. But of course, you get to take 3 points. I lose 3 points. I'm thinking I have another 4 matches to go for the end of the first round.
Yes, and no your ref fan say Watara House of Folk and so a coach and I'll tell say your day ne accepts Emma from Mankwamre Kunsia former player. Na Mankwase Seria Santoro former queen Emma a year former players ebe ratimnimu nebi mu enya positions and a sa jumedi any nano and ubi and our house esua the moment House of Folk Kabama Krama one former players ebenya dibre ewo team no na babu ama team no and so afan into my perfra Mankwamre ku Eno eyo referee say amankwamre kuna te say ye de ne de no enso edema on pay live on the show aye prosperity ogum on the new signings enso no ayentie prosperity ogum asante koroko a coach.
We are going to see a lot of signs that is important go well. Yeah, we started a lot of talking and then we are sure that we'll get there. So we are hoping and praying that things don't change. But then even if they change, they still go in favor of us so that we can augment the team. Once we have more quality in the team, everybody wakes up, nobody turns into a sleeper train. You wake up, you know that when you lose your guard, somebody's coming to it.
Yes, na chese quality ewo team ni mu a wo play and akwa wo stro say wo be lose your position and I say wo place ediama aye ni power fro ana ogum so on crown fast so psyche the boys emomode call game because wo be wa lose 4 e dey ato so kodoma akose ba hands of folk and found no form okita criminal of us or psyche eye boys no.
For instance, yesterday I went there in the morning and left there almost 4 p.m. So you can just imagine, I went there in the morning to the camp and I met them one-on-one. We had lunch. After lunch, I had to go to them, trying to paint that picture of how a Kotoko Hearts game looks like. Because I knew I was going to have a few who have ever tasted it before. Peter, Blay, Samba, I think I had five of them who have played Kotoko Hearts game before. So the in team, so I had to do a lot of one-on-ones with them, and I think it really worked. It really worked. The one-on-one interaction gave them a clear picture of how it was going to look like, and I emphasize on the aggression component from House of Folk. since I was a kid watching Asofo Kotoko match, I've always seen Asofo being aggressive. But they have at the back of their minds that for Kotoko, Obom hard on this room, that is what the belief that they have. So I've also decided that we can solve where hard, every one, hard.
I move, let's say.
Huh?
Let's say.
Boko.
Okay. Into it.
Na Zani host
Sompa Sports.
Introduce me say bia me free ha na aba me ye say amove etisen.
Okay.
Yenti we.
Okwa Jiska. Nyame adma general.
There be o mine. My adwuma na do atansa na e kire wa na. I don't know who knew.
Oh, na mama nka say.
There be who introduce obi nya wo kire.
I know that's who introduction.
Baby who introduce fa na over the bar. Maba.
Okay, Imbusta Mesha. Police ni edro. What jiska? What dimufa akafa? Adwuma no pompo susu beye.
My.
Na ade Japan says can what there now so best start.
Adwuma wura what am na ka.
Oh, asara dada. Ozo ba mo ni ele mo dem.
Ozo ko tamba.
Baba we why are the one yeska? Because me show say yeska yan ka on say ko free retirement mo mada.
Let me catch you some retire.
Now the way enjoy retirement. Sabbatical retirement.
Na some year duma. Anya na me year police near duma.
Oh, as a guy.
Baby akeka go here.
To be on pan area.
Oze. How much?
Yes, from Boka. Me grab. Ko jiska o ya we onim. What dear. Who is about muhe?
There is some catch you say. Ya zika de onyame mu ade. So on say bia me catch you zika de.
Me meet me too because
there be
anya ma fe no.
There be who chi here ni bi tran no to no. Hey, who could this can you say ya?
Because sometimes I catch him say you got your man in office on me share ni bi em.
Akomia de ro.
Akomia so
be for biscuit no.
Akomia no penny papa, ba oji
say we. One mere biscuit for the break here was so be you. Amofo kan se mo.
Oh now penny po. Oh me dey akomia be see afro no di nkomo like baby so be jiska o ha tena kem. Me hu ni da se maka yensa ne car no. Da ko me hona.
What do you know about
me hona to akune. Wo dey ya.
Se maka tro.
Me chena dwoso kwa.
Yo muhe.
E hona da ho. Me hona to akune. Do wan say hwen a hona nam kwa no chen we bi kon. Ya yi mu se ba Mr. Police ni na duro no. Ya ya duro. Na still na amanfo guzu o mo nom.
That's right.
Adansidie ni ba na eba. Ya wagen listener ba ko. Also obu okrum.
Okay.
Aseme ba sei na ye kasa sa na ase na ni age ne mu okoto aduro ni bi. Ya ose ne yare pa na ha no pa ye say aya na ne be ma hungu nsa. Am so be ma na ya okoye de oh doctor me nya hwe na da bi o ye de wo. Ose da bi. Doctor me kan okre. Doctor ya o.
No kwati. Oh yeah, you just net here.
Yeah.
What be?
Hey, Tascon.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
Doctor, yeah. I'm so sir. But any year so a giant.
Somebody for say I did the book you.
Eh, I know doctor
say I did the book kwase ya.
Eh, any go ya. Oh, and I'm saying any jealous doctor I didn't see giant you.
There is that no so ho ye tan side ya untimi ntu bia banu mu.
Won, eti oye no see o. In fact, what do you say okoto aduro ni bi no my bed because as okono aduro bi e kwa na aba
udwine ye kuro.
Yes, na me so okay what there no bi last month more no and any 3 days no friends so dog nyame adum say di won say ade no ekokra because first no say ekokra na be won say BCC won ba
ase we kono na we ba
but you see do say ne be ma no nsan ni nyina eko first crowd was say fi dey sebi nsu fita ni ade wa struggle pa.
And you go no pompo ni pa
o struggle pa nti de bi o se ya ye kan na bi o ya se wate go no ne ayi na
wate bi
wate a ni bi ya na order na so te form pa nti da kro de o boot ya oni mo so
and bronya o se doctor be ma me hu
oh of course ambassador and che do be board be sisi abonja
be board
se gonorrhea ambassador
Unia
de power. Unia de power, unia de yare de on TV da. Akomia de on TV da. Akomia de.
Okay, me
man e dro nyina aya the power.
Akomia de problem bia we pay dro ni bia for.
Okay.
I don't know him me na me want me problem. So,
e
dro ni papa. me starting no me enyene because they can say me imboost heba me say you
police near draw
manum be fancy manum be live on set.
Yes.
Manum be ntino ye kan mayenka say problem na me nyewa so only problem ya ti dem be kan me am problem me am problem would you tum sa intimate makasa good I'm of catch a doctor say I say no it's me mama chna na say be ya around 2 ni be ba no it's me the 10 years
any
mama want to so this is me enyo no
camera capture o
me enyo
hey
be
anaba
because it me the 2 years as na
obi ton yare anya no aduro no sere no
because in your yare
yare we danya yare yare we danya yare
anya no yare say
oh le say
ko pama
and na salad yare show atu Eddie
police near draw police no me kai all start those days na mo angel
yes
on the drive time show ni ayi nyina na
so crowd now my agent otunton bi ma
ejuma
de one board say
say account na my
nche ba be replace you
say no why ya we say am
boy replace you
ba boy din ya de akwaji sky
oh we dey to aso ya
so ya no ma highlander
to aso dey to aso
aduro no ayi aduro ade ba kwa me pene se me mpadu no me pepane
yes
but we no mitimi no because enyenyo obi mo say na aduro enwuna na ye mo de oka bi aboa
oh
sometimes be a oboa
sometimes obi o say asem bi o like I say tete asem no ha by need
those days no kwaye kwa na enhye dan fa measurement ntun gidigidi
oh there
yes the yan say so udi tua kra o ma saliva enkom they say doctor so no package no de cap kuma bi ide esini tinu so ye mo yade bi adin nya bi
yes
koto police nya adro anopa 2
of course
no ansana 20 minutes time what do you breakfast ewia de didiwie ne nom anwumre so didiwie ne nom wo de wonu nyare kra wonu abonsa say you want some malaria be per se ba main giant koso because I just say malaria na she won me be pie
adwuma de
say ya ba kwaye bone pan so malaria e ja say
hard pa ya adwuma de say me tu kwan da chi bia doctor ma
so mama scan ni
e wa butira obetima ya adwuma e doctor say me nya ko
na so tie Sompa Sports.
Hey, amo. Ya, enti ya ka no. Send you unsa ade papa ntina wa wagya so ma wo ye dey o ka no. Ye kan nya agro na ye di. E ya duro pa. In fact boys ni do mo nom. Ya boys am ba hey in fact ebi o mkofodu ya bu akwa guys ni ade o mo mi amuti.
Yes, voice no teba.
Omo say omo no
pa voice no
of course on lectures ahodo ni ade because on say the why yes ya brand aduro no ya enye aduro a ebia ne to no eye aduro a okoto ana oferi ebi mu kra say that the see omo kam omo kam Honda Accord bisa no ne sinikam efe pa ne sim kama nya hwon nya picanto abrabonde ya nkaka kra wa agomia obedu sa stage no why
Imboost pharmacy
Imboost pharmacy ya etu no ton
almost say buy ya na yesan
oh of course say ya ebo no ye nkakra eye say obi akokra nnu afura buchira ba ya na ode 1 cedi 10 pesos 20 pesos
atoso
and atoso to aduro so
wakwaje shop no
ya
abu agumbe de ho no
enju betimi aton aduro bi abe 10 billion now pass we bi abe 10,000 say 10 pesos ni ade but just that or per se amanfo nya adwuma ye de eye ya on say on fa 10 billion go run business mo menya mfa so
yeah me 10 billion run next me koto helicopter
fantastic
wo fa 10 billion you run business
but you will people obetim the 10 billion na investment say or the year adwuma ne mfa so e ba na kito ba enha no
Nigeria for the ni bi no
fantastic say be na doctor tie doctor betim the sika kakaka ru adwuma because ohun ni say e be bie kwan ama amanfo nya adwuma ye because ye bie Imboost pharmacy amanfo America just omo ba obefa no de contract ni e bebre
wow
omo ba obefa no because why ade ni in such a way say all the contract na omoka wo benya bi ye de e so obetofu
ene fuo ini to e bi o
ba say oto di gumtwi so oto ana o ka o de si bi
who cost supply the obeto
na ba me kan o so oto So to they be out team koba. Area says bunzogum bema. Yo, enti de obe anza obe ba ho. I never catch you. Me say ya uska de onya me mu ade da. Unya uska go bu ade, mu ade.
Abofudro ni nyina bi.
Ebi wo ho.
Ebi bi dro bi a waten nke bi amesro ho no. Enye police nya dro nkwa ni.
Dabi. Ya, enye.
Ya ayi wo ha bi dro bi a woten nka se me ye ho ayi bia no kwa benya bi.
Benya bi de e wo ho no. Enti wo bo abrofudro no. Na wo bo bi dro. Enti ha wo say oh, me ko bo abrofudro no ma be krum abeto. Ebi dro dabi. Wo de wo fa ka, wo yusu ka ko. Ya kodie Wesley Matthew so kwan so ayya o travel my one
akwa nya yi kwa anka 3 minutes
nya traffic ya
o kai de anka 1 minute
wo de 10 seconds wo de 10 seconds o de sport nti utimi change the two sport de na jai tinama na yam hwehwe dwane say you know na no de me kwa akra no
ya ko ba bia abesro
ya na yesa me no na nam ko ba eso na no
bi me ko ba bia
me no kwa akra ya
me nkai me nimwo
adwuma e ko ya me pese meka
me no ko ba bia
sanke e ko sign contract ho na anyi we have na manage you
Nah, police will bet me.
Eddie, ever numbers ninja. Yeah. 0246.
0246 20 84 96
0246
20
84 96. Now, a drone dear our drugstore, pharmacy, herbal shop, baby, a chrome have baby, a gun have baby, okwa benya imbu seba Mr. Drone be there. Ato. Diao, mama fancy na etwas.
Mate, edasi.
Me da se pa.
Azu bronya mo ye.
Bronya idea, me bronya de. Okay. Nkoko nkete. Me brobi. Why?
I mean, I'll say no say nya fa no nkwa de after round 1 echo round 2 no.
But ya na on say akomia ni issue na o ka no. Ya osusu nom dodo. Onu mi osusu no dodo. Jakomia yare de adoni ho.
Na say me choma no down okitara de no
so. Say ba on say nka kwa 2 hours but 10 hours there. Say ni just osesa oba no. Yes ah.
Okay, nti ade ne de nka na mehwe me.
Aduro ni nyina say obesesa.
Ikron so kuma yi ara.
Obesesa.
No, unu do ta sesa. Sa memo obi an adaw. Say one time. Me ni na de yegma.
Ata no de no wa se wu bi o. Ba de so ni mbi.
Saying that
say ne be ya obeji edi ni no.
Yegma na.
Ata no wa se wu.
Is it a one?
Is it a two? It is a me. Whoa. I'm over there. I say, "Ukran watch your dog." I'm police near Drew. I don't know. Yes, in Booster by Miss Chanyana, our pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops and Yamameza. My memory when you says stone and a house for that so our hangover. But now there be a fem say or Sassibi. New any in the stone. I'm saying now some say. Her supporters no class who in your life.
Oh yeah. SB had a very good game.
Man of the match I announced here.
Very, very good game.
Oh.
Now, Enra Mekanya did be from a goalkeeper trainer for the national team Fatau Dauda. On X and so. Say na e was anka Benjamin Asare. A communicating team no jaibo on the ma SB.
Yeah.
Because the distance in New SB was in control of the ball. It now also can post to more. Na football sometimes you can play so well and at the end of the day no and you are bet masisa be me say Ghana for be sere omo commenter omo tide ko to aso jam obi ko bisa le say osere na akwa na ode ne sa koka
ball
watulu fo oh online na say krubu and also munya mo trade ma
enra obi de ba say e ba still guy ne sa no koka ball.
And you don't answer. But you see, you're journalist now, open sensationalism. Whatever Watara did, now no Sunday, no, a bear of fair, a bear of kama. But Yankasasa, no, this shouldn't be entertained one bit. Okay, lie on the enemy. I know people will blame goalkeeper Benjamin Asare and SCB for the goal considered, but from technical perspective, I want to educate us on the situation. The situation was ball into space, and in every situation goalkeeping, there is principles and priorities. One of the priorities should have applied in this situation by the goalkeeper. SCB was in control of the situation. So Benjamin Asare should have just showed up or opened up to receive a pass from SCB to keep possession without rushing it. And this was his message away from that. But now manu gusu American Watara asem say. Utimi catch journalist akolo Tokyo's bi ho KJT. Ano akofa question there ba. Na wo adwuma na wo ye ne lose na be lose ye no. Say obi di toto ho ma. No, you call it a disrespect. If a journalist in the reverse manner should utter a word, they say, now cry baby I want to now you maybe and ya be funny as be we be safama. You feel disrespected.
Unim me not to catch you, but I dear back when sometimes me time on time I'm in person engage PA. Question I be a journalist in the Babizano. Yana man foot makers I didn't know business a question. And I'm say ebi among monitor you can in the Western world. Amorim a war sporting or beba United no. Me kai sky for small rep man ko that old man be no.
Yeah.
No busa amorim say oh we there in English Australia. I'm a nipa no media person not catch and say there be amorim because we are Portuguese. So Obama you are not about English. And he was insisting. Say Basa there as a would deny almost so much brofono also kana bibi. The rate at which will be push you. So when you coach ne bia when you about like Caribbean. What about to bomb? Yeah. Not the end so you can choose to answer
or not. Or not. But to tell a journalist say wa call KJT lo Tokyo so wan kwakofa bibia but I think Watara Bompa is already was
I give the gift for I say
yes,
no. It deserves to win this match. Don't take the questions for local ground that KGT are bringing here, please. It's the match.
I'm telling you,
so that's the most important. That's the most important thing in football. That's important thing in football. Protocol score, he deserves the gift. He take his 3 points. I was 3 points. I will have another 4 matches to go for the end of the first round.
Now, the other two I assume near say Hamza is a Bemana Kofi. The Bemana Kofi because somebody to me is a performance in Sheda in Naso. But I asked myself, say, with the local Black Stars, now no Hayana Kamebo Bisa questions, be Mama Musa, fancy. Because already listening about Bontin what it entails, and whatever that goes on with the Black Galaxies, you know, now me is so much interested. And I've always raised the cause to say, Obi Oye Black Stars assistant coach Bian or no was a man head coach for the local Black Stars just to keep tabs with it. And maybe a chairman no sana net, a minimum the Akokan or more because sana. And then you different coach for local Black Stars, and you different coach for assistant coaches for Black Stars. Yes, system. Because the decision making in your maybe a cock or sometimes what I say I would drink one won't tell you. I'm hopeful that we can beat Nigeria and qualify. But we should make sure that certain decisions won't come back to haunt us. Because Hamza call Campi, Hamza you soon as a striker or whole. You soon Hamza as a winger. Sanyo mana ya national team amudi ye players ni munyai. Nipa ne baby oni mbono. Sana mudi August no kra call main Black Stars na mudi ni botu go training.
Come say na party mut me botu Arsenal dia na I was also very low.
No, fix na no class na for no complain say baby on the position ni wono. Use him. Mufane mo baby also obo.
I'm saying na dey.
Ana ye obi on my position na obo no. Fancy, once you obi on more versatile. Baby at the bebo bia you get the best out of the player. Omo no ye different. And ye obi so on ma fancy di Maria. Ono o se san kakra bia o te ne quality ni so ne dey o expect say obenya free no. Dey ti na o fa Hamza de na kwa kopie mo Black Star local Black Stars are didn't na befa no. Enye striking role. Last season no share how many goals? Meboa. But then so the Hamza be local Black Stars. No, jamo the Hamza be wing one on the wingers for no. E be yero so na be dropping am na badia. And they have to have a second look at it and keep him over there. Because the entire day Hamza call and say Hamza she goes my last season ba. What's up them? I was say goes in the house of folk. Keep him over there in his position. Mamon sesano. Na brebreo. Oda monkobo Nigeria nembra. Monkobo Nigeria nembra. Local league no. Mon sheda hwebi dodo sa. Mamuye din an masa. Na emi se kotoko no so asem ni ho ayempe ojam. Okulu akore resign. Efi na dwumam. Okulu. Oh yes. Okulu si assistant coach adwuma no. There is nothing wrong with that. Okay. But during the course of the season, And the things that prompted that is where the problem usually comes from.
What prompted it? And Ojam coach is paid 3 million.
It is alleged
that
say Oklu any the other technical team no muntamu she dan go sa and now no can say ma ogumuntie
because
it is alleged
because betting abesha betting aside is Ogum's close confidant.
What you say?
Okay. Sir, alleged no.
Alleged no.
Okay, interesting.
Because it is something it is not Oklu na catch me.
But I mean,
yes.
Do you need to even say that? Sabi me near my dream say me be ma so na say me ma. At the Diana we were considering Oklu for appointment. Seriously, and yet na say and yet say last 2 weeks, last month. Your starting results nin ko yi no. We felt we needed him. I sounded him out personally through Najao. Tested the waters, say Najao. And yes, some person may upset him, but Oklu who is saying, say, person, what do you think? I was just sounding him out. In fact, so if the response had been good and then if the conditions for employment had not changed, okay. He's somebody we looked at. Yeah. Someone come here, Kano. And yet 2 weeks and yet 3 weeks. That's my okay. It was almost 2 months ago.
Wow.
Yeah, Mira, Sanet.
It's almost sorting out.
I saw Oklu call Legon Cities.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
For Coach Paco Sifabian on not resigning from his role.
But Frank Aqua is Aqua Bakota. Anyway,
Bishop to us way.
That's your own farmer. Christmas gift.
Sompa Sports.
I have an expose on one person on the Black Stars bench. Into our break here that Mira.
Friday.
Near Thursday. Where said man. We kept on telling people closer to power. Our BM said there are people with questionable character and morals closer to the Black Stars. Ombit made the Jumano Nenso. You're born doing baby, I send any baby who and yeah, papa. But to the point where Asema Mino came, a drew court. Now, Sebio, it's a seminar. Mino Bay said my way. It's a story of somebody on the bench impersonating one of the players. So, now a dretchery. And then the player didn't know. Now, watch the chat carefully. We are Fama Mira, Fancy no so Enrebi. Scrolly, I think I have about four of them. Now, to the level say, Menya Sim. My mama will save you a dino. Oh, there are 4 of them. Don't look at just one. And also, so that you kwanya ye bar. Thursday, the gamin yardom the young kwacha near bar. You be see him. It should not be condoned. And yet, okay, and yet, time cry. Now, young way in it. Sabi, una die anwa, moderate a kama. Wakasa yawa de nyame adum no de yen kwa chen yawa da ye ba. I think it's only fair we deal with it. Because I could drum peninimu na yewo akam baby ayebu se sahwene etim peninimu a ebi nyira to have impersonated the player to solicit for those things. Senka ye ba ku pe ya mi re nka asem we asem bi eni o. Se me ye de boy for. Guys chine ye nchime ye chime de be wu. Pakumia. Almost 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And the panels in the morning.
And no, no. Enti, omomo fu say, nipa na ya impersonating no. So, wanye ade ne dia. Ene omomo de ne court. Enti nkete ha no mako see you the wrong person. Ena omuko shia ne hu nipa o. Ena ohwe number no. Ena o checking nipa ne number no no on the phone so no. Enyo onu nie. Wambo wa only for them to trace. Ena omu say o ahyase kra no. Odi kan de ono no real number no. Edi kan hukumu. Eche no aka chem say nipa number ni mu ne nchante du mu koka no no aso mu. Send a bit and now, oh, say, my mother can't be window because Senka AS a witchra and can't get and you do court in the day. It's a public case. Yentimimwa. Today, I can't say the cost will court. Nemum see him why based on sad way our kind. It's been confirmed by Nippon or yes, I also timid. It's not change. Maybe a same way. 2. No. Say a Christmas, your parting gift for Christmas at the moment. No. Number 2. Yeah, born a boy, Nakumi. Yeah, no when you have check a crack. Didi Dramani, medical can once a more. Coaches, no. Fancy, Omoya knew maybe a ordinarily. Who giant us on one and you mountain, yes, I mistakes. No.
Okay.
Into first, no. So back I come meet me call all out until the last chanting. And all coming in here, okay. We had an okay relationship, Fancy. Name Ogum, any Bismarck could be mensa there. Mean to me, can no more okay relationship. It goes beyond okay. In Drew Ignatius level, because Ignatius near me, but we know. I mean, you want to fire and casa. Sompa Sports. The empire I'm already selected Kwame Utu. Because Kwame Utu or a vision player, no dreams, and a vision for one fan. Fancy. Kwame Utu unimbo boros. Na Udiagro ni mantino. Born on fanny serious. You do baby not get more panic or new secret and son of a Inti Kwame today in the mom of friend. Because division one or more money bono, me did this account. Name talent alone is not enough, Fancy. And to meet me, the Dramani at night and say, I didn't know we Hamza if it's our film, that's if it is the case. The problem is that our system is so corrupt and bad. Emphasis on corrupt and bad. Say, coaches need to take decisions on their own. You be show say for sumesi and now bentin. Until you want me call up no. Once I see one time, until I come here message say, "Nyabotre chanting no fancy omo bono." Obenye obi mo nim ball league nim pa omo ni o.
Yeah, that one there.
Sompa. Same way I made this fancy with them.
Okay.
The patropi. Now we call Nigeria a Togo Kobo friendly. A big shot at the FA called Didi Dramani and the technical team. The boy said, "I then one particular player, Amobi,
one more friendly,
or a centre back, or a left centre back." And then coaches reasoning they say, "On board 2 back." And they are okay with the 2. Say, so more about 3 back there. Then there will be the need for a left centre back. Beyond that, only panimi no more boy as a pen. Or more any musin. You should accept it. Okay? Emmanuel Amoko Nations. Are you guys aware of this? I know. They all be Team United.
Well, maybe I'm a fan cross no carnival no everybody so way ayo boase gringo beaters carnival 24th of this month our Heroes Park and you met no so ne ashase ye ka say Amrado Ken Paluta and a Stone Boy omo and eba mount one stage our Heroes Park 24th of this month 50 Ghana cedis obenya forms and as take it ni bi ato our YFM Insure FM Supermarket restaurant and a Price restaurant and I say over dial star 714 star 003 star 8 hash. Now they are told a year will take it. And no, and so I don't know. Young fan cross and enough your mouth a friend for no and so emblem 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 Obama so TV no Yanwa Jum follow me na ma menafe ya ton can quick. Hello.
Hello, Fancy.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, my brother. I'm Richard, the professor Christian.
Rich, it's you.
I'm here saying, my family. I say, Minia, I thought you know, Cassin. Tanahano, the Biamicase, football, coach, no, what did that? That was standing nominee coach, I didn't mean. no mo coach ni e di ni ewu no mpanifo na so di ni the tip coach no se o mo be take ko di decision ya adwuma no mo diri o ti ni ni na kan me ni ya adwuma me mo eno a na kan me pe insem dia fi ni ya ata ho ni mo be da Jeffrey ho ha se ni ko to ko bo na mo be ni sawo le e ti na boy ni ti a na pe ma ni to fo mu no a boy ni sorry na ko head player no na get referee no e ma na card.
Okay.
But you who sabi you, yes, I'm not present the million to come watch them.
Mate.
You who sabi you, I am ya para.
Mate.
Honest. I am straight red card get on my player.
Mate, yara si yema unu yanso mbremo bi. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Madam, if I'm an anxiety you could talk.
Yetio.
Ukariama. Just why they the bus the question of our supporters. Now, Kotokoni has much in the answer of the day or don't bring from the organ and as he said, and now 4 a.m. credit now, you'll be a Champions League, a Premier League, a Penalica. If you always have a sort of a there, I'm going to remember necessary or someone do more consider to or not, and it's
Mate, yara si. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes sir.
You're
a penny yetio. Okay, Andy Yentio. Yadamasi pa. Chia sanku fonyina. Onshamonso. Mate, yadasi pi. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. We didn't be aga free.
Sport code in the column.
Yetio.
I want to consider the mayor for the column as game.
Okay.
Also, born a midfield battle. Into what? With me, a dominating midfield on our way. And I also go now by an I double a better more about the double. I just feel about the also about the men or about the call. Central, I know Gina with me, or she's a madam J-Ball. No, you superb, you know. I was here, Madam.
RCP ne or fantastic analysis our day abai no Grace edge and the time. Okay, mama what am I watch on quick. Hello Penny Fairy.
Hello.
Penny yetun kan yetio.
Me de koku metasa speaker kwa.
Okay.
Bocho, hello.
Koku kasa wadaroma.
One person make a seminar at a coconut. Matino, meaning no mention that. But who share Senia or Tiana and a cat at a son and Suba into Tian and I'm light and yet radio so begin at 4 years not or Tia. And the mission inquiry on that principle no on Fana because Ghana or no any professor you couldn't be a more piece of a milk of Matthew Mamma minimum or more young for said you or more cata and in a winner who want to us and I'm in this one.
Amen. Okay. Yarasipi nti no. Quick, Mezana today.
Sikanaba.
Koroko gate.
Aye.
Saying
Omunya 430,000 Ghana cedis gross.
4.3 billion.
Gross no.
Yente hwim free mu no.
Ne tete enwoma ni na film no kotoko de 1.8 billion.
1.8 billion.